house in Minahasa. Nondo and his grandpa share a special bond. Nondo, with a determined spirit, helps around the house despite his limp. Nondo, you are such a helpful and diligent boy. I'm proud of you. Thank you, Grandpa. I wish I could help you in the jungle too. You will have your chance one day, my dear. But for now, it's best you stay here and take care of the things at home. Besides, it's too dangerous. You can trip and hurt yourself. As the sun sets over Minahasa, Nondo's imagination takes flight. He dreams of exciting adventures in the lush jungle. I really want to see the animals in the jungle with Grandpa. The next day, as Grandpa prepares for his jungle journey, Nondo musters up the courage to make a heartfelt request. Please, Grandpa, let me join you this time. I promise to stay close and not wander off. All right, Nondo, you can come with me, but remember to stay near me, okay? Thank you, Grandpa. I promise I won't go far. Hey, look! Grandpa's bringing Nondo to the jungle. Yay! We have a new visitor. Look, Grandpa, a squirrel. Yes, Nondo, but remember, don't wander too far. We must watch Nondo carefully. He is a good child. We will help him if he gets lost. This is going to be so much fun. Wow, look at that bird, Grandpa. Nondo, wait! Nondo!
Aduh. Si Wanda di depan.
Grandpa, where are you? Don't leave me here.
Itu aja itu kaki. Masih ingat ya, Sa?
Nondo! Nondo, where are you? In the depths of the jungle, Grandpa's ear catches a mysterious sound. Little does he know that his sound will lead him to an unexpected discovery. What's that sound? Opoku? That sounds like Nondo! Grandpa's heart races as he approaches the source of the mysterious sound. What awaits him is a reunion beyond his imagination. Nondo, is that you? Opoku, Opoku. My dear Nondo, you've turned to a bird. Amidst the moonlit jungle, Grandpa and Nondo's bond transcends the boundaries of time and form. I will always remember you, Nondo, as the Moopoo bird. Opoku, Grandpa. As the Moopoo bird soars into the night, it carries with it a tale of love and unity, echoing through the lands of Minahasa.